How to send snaps with no media upload on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, in order to send snaps with no media upload, tap on the arrow icon you see there, and with this, you will see the option for green screen. So, tap on the green screen option you see there, and then go ahead and select the image, or you can also tap on the view all option you see there and then choose the image that you want to send as a snap. Further, go ahead and tap on the camera stutter button you see there in order to take a snap instantly. And now tap on the send option you see there and further send the image to the individual whom you want to send. And with this, as you can see, the snap has been sent as a normal media or a fresh snap instead of being sent as a chat. So this was about how you can send snaps with no media upload on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.